Must subscribe this channel for fun and learning videos. Hi friends, welcome to Color Time. Are you ready to learn colors with balloons? Look, it's a red balloon. R-E-D, red. Red like an apple. Red like a strawberry. Red like a fire truck wherever it goes. Now it's a blue balloon. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue like the ocean. Blue like the sky. Blue like a bird that loves to fly. Wow, a green balloon. G-R-E-E-N, green. Green like the grass. Green like a tree. Green like a turtle looking at me. Here comes yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow like sunshine. Yellow like a star. Yellow like a school bus going far. Let's say the colors together. Red, blue, green, yellow. Great job, friends! You learned colors today. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.